As one of the largest and fastest growing universities in the country, the GCU campus is home to over 24,670 students in fall 2025. Over 107,800 students are learning online at GCU in fall 2025. GCU has learning sites for its accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing program in flourishing nursing markets across the country. Each of these sites are designed with the latest technology, such as our immersive simulation suites, allowing students to complete their accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing from an accredited institution in as few as 16 months.
I chose a 16-month program because I was just ready to get on with my career, and it was just so nice to have that path already laid out for me.
A student can come in with their prerequisites and in 16 months graduate with a bachelor's degree.
The minute that I knew that this was the right choice is that I walked into a classroom and I felt that I belonged there. I felt that we were all part of a team, and I felt that GCU really had my back. They're extremely supportive, and the fact that they show that they have this confidence in me makes me have a ton of confidence in myself.
What I'm really grateful for is the instructors. They're always there to support you, and they've seen me grow academically, but also personally. Being able to have that small community has been really nice.
We also have tutoring. We've got our sim labs.
The sim labs have been so helpful. I didn't really know what to expect. It prepped us for clinicals and having real life patients. The mannequins talk to you. They have a pulse, they have a blood pressure. So it was really nice being able to get that real life experience before it's an actual human.
With all these simulation labs that I've had with GCU, I feel confident that I will be able to assess my patients correctly.
Everyone knows us by our purple scrubs, so when we would go into our clinicals, people knew who we were.
I've asked our chief nursing officers of our different clinical partners, what's your experience, how is it? And they always come back to me like, we love GCU students, so keep them coming.
It is not just for one type of person in the world, it is for everyone, no matter where you come from or who you are.
I feel very prepared to start my first nursing job.
I am not the same person that I was going into nursing school and coming out of it. I really proved to myself that I'm much more capable than what I thought I was.
I would recommend the school to anyone who wants to go through the nursing program.
GCU's Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing offers start dates 3 times a year, so you don't have to wait. Apply now at GCU.EDU/ABSN and get started on your path to a career as a nurse today.